Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. My name is Sadath Khan, spiritual life coach of Discover Yourself workshop. In life, sometimes we are caught unexpectedly by some forces beyond our control. We get stuck up. We keep trying various methods instead of feel freeing, but we experience we are going further, deeper and deeper into trouble. Once stuck in such situations, we keep asking the questions, why me? What wrong did I do that I had to go through this? Am I destined to go through what I am going through? We feel that we are the victim of the situations and circumstances, helpless, dejected, frustrated. Even more painful is that the people we trusted and had hopes watch us going through. We are left alone in the struggle. We keep struggling with only hope in Almighty Allah. And we pray to seek His mercy that one day you will come out of the situation and some help will come to you. Like a miracle, help comes over to you by your friend or someone pushing you to attend the Discover Yourself workshop, and you attend willingly or unwillingly. But once you go through the 3-day inner journey of purification of the heart, you feel liberated, feel light like a bird wanting to fly, sing as if you're born new. You praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala immensely and be grateful for giving an opportunity to attend this workshop. And you feel that your prayers has been answered. You experience that this workshop is indeed a must for every human being, and you wish your entire family could have been in the workshop. Give yourself a gift by attending this workshop. Suffering is optional, but make it compulsory. We promise you that your life will not be the same after attending the workshop. Thank you.